A food truck lives outdoors, a moving line, changing spots, and the glare of the sun. A handwritten chalkboard just can't keep up with all of that. A digital menu works harder, bright, instant, and always up to date. Lead with a Serving Today slide, your concept and full menu at a glance. Hero one dish at a time, a full-screen close-up that builds appetite instantly. Show a build-your-own guide. Pick a base, a protein, toppings, and the line flies. Post today's location and your next stop, and first-timers become loyal followers. Something sells out? Mark it from your phone and it vanishes from the board instantly. Add a going fast tag, a little urgency that clears your slow movers before closing. Show social proof. Over 500 five-star reviews earns trust in seconds. Flag vegan and gluten-free options clearly, and you sell to a whole new crowd. A combo deal that shows the savings up front triggers a quick, easy yes. A QR code for pre-orders lets your busiest customers skip the queue entirely. Turn any TV into your food truck's smartest menu. Start free today.